Alright, what's up YouTube? We're doing a video today on how to get ringtones in Intensity 2. Custom ringtones. I'm talking pretty fast because I just want to. I'm trying to hurry up and get through this. Well, for one, you need a micro SD for your Intensity 2. For two, you need the cord for it. For three, you need to install the information down here in the bottom right corner. Or the first time you're clicking it, say install boot something, bootlegs, I don't know, something like that. Click install that and wait till it installs, and then something on your phone will pop up. It'll say sync picture, sync music. The third one say sync memory, something like that. Click on sync memory, the third one. Then it should look like this. You also have to, inside of your micro SD card, you have to make a file called my picture before you do any of that. So I didn't mention that before, but yeah. Then after you do that, click on my ringtones. That's the file you have to make, and just sit there. You need iTunes, you need Switch sound file converter, you need a ringtone. I get mine from live mixtapes, as you can see right here. But yeah, this right here is gonna go to file. I'm gonna hit add file to library. Then I'm going to go to downloads. It was memorized. Now I'm gonna list this a couple times. I can't cut it off, so I'm gonna customize it to what I want. I want the beats to the part I don't love them. I don't chase them, I duck them. So it's almost there. Zero 51 to 110. You're gonna go to get info. You wanna go to options. Change this. 051. 1 10. Next that. Okay, and hit OK. And let's play, see if it does it. Alright, so it did it. So now you hit right click, hit create ACC version. It's creating it. When that's done, now you take it and you put it into this. Just drag this one, put it into this converter. I'm gonna try to use it. Change this to AMR, and then click output to the same folder. Hit convert. Processing the file. Mesmerize. Okay. Now that you got that open, go to open up another my documents folder. Find where you put that song. Mine's probably in my downloads, or where would it be at? Would it be in my music? No. Where would it be at? I have no clue. I wonder if it would be back in. Hold on, give me a second. I cannot find where that file is at. Well, alright, anyways, you can probably just do just like this. Yeah, after that, can't where you find where your file is at, or you can just drag this. Hope you can drag it. I don't chase them, I duck them. Smoke some. It says it should be in iTunes. So I'm guessing it should be in iTunes. Let's load up iTunes again. We're going to take this. And no, that's not it. I really wish I could find out where the hell this thing is at. But it seems I cannot find it. It was located in iTunes. So here it is, right here. Mesmerized. Okay, I found it. Now you would drag this in to the My Ringtones file. You can delete that. Okay, now before you do anything else, go to your phone, hit disconnect. Yes. Then unplug it. Just unplug. Alright, now that don't mean it's on there yet. Now what you gotta do, because this right here was basically just in your SD card. So now what you wanna do is you wanna hit menu. You wanna go to tools. Sorry it's blurry, I'm using this. Tools and what you call it, you go to memory. Card memory. Move all to phone. Yes. It's moving. Okay. Now you're gonna go to media center. Using tones. Look for it. What are my sounds? My ringtones. Look for mesmerized. I don't chase them, my duffel. Smoke something. Go to one of face soon as I fuck them. Niggas be pressed for pussy, ain't nothing. Instead of worrying about who that bitch fucking, why'd you get you some money? 9 times out of 10, you see me stunting. Yeah, that's it. It's a picture of me right there. Sexy as hell, I know. Team Chance, remember that. I'll keep you updated on stuff. Just Geek. Peace and out. See you later.